Okay, this is video 3 and welcome back. Just like to start off by saying pretty much what I've already said in the description, and it's that I'm not a scientist. I'm just a bod. I'm a web designer, so I don't really know what I'm doing here, so excuse me if I say anything wrong, like if I say an amp when I mean a watt or a whatever. In fact, I didn't even know what they were until a couple of weeks ago. Well, I knew what they were, but couldn't really differentiate between them. So I'm just really trying to just put into place what I've already seen on YouTube. Now if you've watched video number 2, you'll see that I constructed this test cell. It's a positive plate, a negative plate, and 2 neutral plates in between. A couple of nylon bolts going through it, and there's actually nylon washers in between them to separate them by 1/8 of an inch. Positive and negative runs through a voltmeter and a switch to a battery. Now you might have noticed I've put this clear, I had a red like jug before just for when you have parties and stuff. I got this clear cylinder from Tesco. It's not cylinder, square. What do you call this? A square cylinder. There's a question. Squirrelder? That'll do. I bought this. No, let's not call it a squirrelder. Let's call it a container. I bought this clear container. It's glass. Much easier to see what's going on. And now I put. It's the same water I was using the other day in the red tap. Just poured it in here. But I've added a whole teaspoon of lye, and I think you'll be amazed by the results. I certainly was. If you look at a bash, we'll turn it on, see what you think. Here we go. Ooh. I think some of the hydrogen was actually igniting there. It's just piling out. Look at that. Unbelievable. I think I may have put too much sodium hydroxide in because I'm running. I've got the amp meter working as well. I know I had problems last time. I took the light bulb out as well so we could see it a bit better. Just over 20 amps there, isn't it? About 22, maybe 23 amps. And that is just flying out of there. So much that you can't even see it, just gulps and gulps of the stuff. So we'll turn it off. Okay, what I'm going to do now is just see if I can capture some in this bottle. I've cut the bottom off here. I'm going to shove it in there, and it's kind of crude and a lot of it will escape around the side, but really I just want to see if I can capture some. So I'm going to try igniting it and see if it really is hydrogen. So let's have a look. Just turn it on again. Away it goes. Look at that. Going for it. So I'll zoom in. You wouldn't believe it, would you? Amazing. It's that sodium hydroxide. It's pretty cool stuff, isn't it? Anyway, that should probably be enough now. Let's put it on pause. Or rather switch it off. Where's my matches? This should be fun. There they are. I wonder if a lot of it will escape. I mean, we're just purely moving this down here, but there'll still be some underneath it. Here we go. Nothing. Let's try it again. No, absolutely nothing. Either means it's not hydrogen, or the way I'm collecting it is completely rubbish. How can I have a more effective way than that? I don't particularly want to put a match right on the top. Maybe a little bit crazy, but it's okay for a hobby, but I'd never do it for a living. I'll see if I come up with some ideas and post it in my next video. Or perhaps if you come up with an idea, let me know. Okay, see you later. Okay, don't worry guys, I just persevered with that technique and it worked. So I told my hands around just to get a bit more gas in and held it for a bit longer, but see if I can demonstrate. I'll get it going. I know it's kind of crude and unscientific, but hey, that's what I'm all about. I think I gave it about a minute, so if you want to zoom past this bit, be my guest, and when you see me remove the bottle, and press play again. I'm going to let it go a little bit longer than this. Almost there. Okay, I think I'll try that. Okay, you ready? Oops, I've done it. There's my match. Here we go. Whoa, alright. Does that mean it's hydrogen? I think technically it does. It's something extremely flammable, which is good news. So I'll have to think about what I'm going to do next. I guess I've really tested what I came to test. Now I guess I just need to go on and build the rest of the cell. Like I say, it's running at 20 amps, but it's way too much. I need to get it below 12 really. When it heats up it goes even faster, so even higher. So I guess one heaped teaspoon of sodium hydroxide is too much for that amount of water. More than 4 plates, less sodium hydroxide. Make them the right size to fit into my plastic toilet extender, and then I guess I'll get back. Okay, see you in video 4.